So friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix earphones if one side is only working. So having broken earbuds or can be frustrating when you're trying to listen to something, but depending on the problem they can be relatively quick and easy and inexpensive to fix. If a single earbud only cuts out occasionally, try twisting and tapping the cord until the sound comes through it again. If the twisting cord doesn't work, then you may need to open the earbud and soldering the connection if we are able to. In some cases, you may need to buy a new earbuds. However, if you protect your earbuds when you are not using them, you can keep them in a working order. So in this video, I'm going to tell you some of the uh, quick method in which you don't have to solder or cut your earphones. These are my boat earphone, and first of all we need to identify the problem area. So you just need to use your earbuds in your ear and play some music, and when they acting upon up and pay attention to where the issue seems to be coming from. So you have to identify the area first, then we can start fixing that area. So if there is only cut out on one side, it mostly likely to means there is a short in that earbud. If you are not hearing any sound at all, the split may be near the jack. So they could be any split near the jack and or the short metal plong that plug into your devices. So if you have a pair of earbuds lying around and plugging them in order to make it's not a headphone jack on the device, that's that's the issue. So for example, neither the set of the earbud work when the plug into your iPhone or Android phone. You may need to fix a headphone jack on your iPhone instead of earbuds. And usually guys, electric short most often originated in the section of the cord next to the jack. So this is near the jack. So usually the short occur next to the jack. So as there is a wear, most of the physical wear and the tear take places. Now what you can do to check whether the earbuds working or not. So bend, straighten or adjust the cord around the damaged side. So usually the damage occur near the jack. So you just need to bend this area, fine, straighten and adjust the cord around the damaged side. And as you do, you might hear some sound in your ear. So when you get the cord into the position that allow the earbud to function correctly or properly, hold it steady and twist the cord slowly so you can stop it as soon as you get it in a working position. And in a less common instances, the broken wires will be closer to the center of the cord. Broken wire will be closer to the center of the cord, and be sure to test the entire length of the cord to find out where the disconnect is actually. And suppose you have find the side where the actual problem is. So you just need to keeping the pressure on the cord with one hand like this. Now you have to keep the pressure on the cord with one hand and use your free hand to wrap the stiff piece of electrical or duct tape which has a good adhesive. So this will keep the compress around the wires and keeping them in a contact with one another. So as long as you do not remove the tape, you should be able to continue using the earbuds. So let's do it guys right now. So let me remove some piece of tape here. And in my earbud, actually the shortcut or disconnection is around this point. So I just need to keep the pressure and just wrap the tape here with the continuous pressure we identify, and if possible bend the cord over on itself at the side of the short and tape it together at the kink. So this will prevent from moving around as much. Fine. Or if tapping your earbud may get them working again, but it is only a temporary fix. So if you may keep if you keep experiencing technical difficulty, you may need to invest in a new set of earphones, and that makes a manual repair. And fortunately, earbuds tend to be fairly inexpensive these days. You can buy a brand new earbuds for or earphones as little as 10 to $20. Or I bought this earphones 500 rupees in India. Uh, so you can buy it online or offline retail shops. So if earbuds are under warranty, it may be possible to send them back to the service center in your area. And quick peek at the user's manual and product receipt for your earbuds should tell you whether they are under warranty or not. So yeah guys, that's how you can fix your earphones without cutting or soldering. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.